Tell me again. How does it feel to be broken? Please, just stop. Stop asking me that. Answer the question. How does it feel to be broken? I'm normal. No. Answer the question. I told you. You either do it their way or you don't get out. I don't understand. I already told you. Listen. How does it feel to be broken? I am normal. They will be here in 10 seconds. They're coming. Repeat after me. Compliance is key. Compliance is key. Again. Compliance is key. 9. Compliance is key. 7. 6. 5. Here they come. 4. 3. Do as I say. 2. And keep your head down. They're here.
And how does it feel to be broken inside?
I'm normal.
What did I say? What did I say?
Compliance is key.
And how does it feel to be broken inside?
I don't understand.
Bring in the boy. What do you see?
Answer the question.
What do you see?
A man.
No. What do you see?
I see a man.
No.
You are not normal.
Sit down.
You are
Sit
not
down.
normal.
There's something inside of you.
We have to save you. You are not normal. We have to save you.
There's something inside of you.
We have to save. Do you want to be saved? This is the path to be good. You are not
This is
normal.
your chance.
You
This is the
are
path
not
to be
normal.
compliant.
This is your only
Is
way
you
out.
are
Have to get
not
it out.
normal.
Do you want to be free?
There's something inside. What did I say?
Don't you
are
want
not
to be normal? You
what did
are
I just
not
say?
normal.
There's something
You are
inside.
not normal.
There is something
This
inside
is the
of
path
you.
to be good.
10. We
9.
have to
This
get
is
it
the
out.
path
What did I
to
say?
be good.
7.
Compliance.
What did I
is key.
say? 5. What did I have to get it out? We have to get it out.
How does it feel to be broken? We have to save you.
His results are incomplete. His results are incomplete. His results incomplete.